Well, we've all seen it, rates going down in different areas, most areas. And I believe, and I want your thesis on this as well, is a big part of that right now is such a large percentage of Americans are in homes where their rates are 3%, 4%, 5%. So there's just no real incentive for them to do anything
Right.
other than stay home. And we know
Yeah.
that, what is it, 27, 30% of the storage business is based on people moving. So
Yeah.
your take on what does that mean for us if these rates continue to stay elevated? You just got to kind of hold your breath and sit tight, or
Yeah, you do because yeah, you do because again, like there's no incentive for somebody to sell a house where they have a 3.5%, mortgage. Like right now, the house that I live in, it's, we're at 3.7% interest rate. And I'd be pretty foolish to sell that and then go and buy something more expensive at a 7.5% interest rate. So yeah, I think that's going to affect us for maybe the next year or two. And
Mhm.
it's the reason why across the board, what I'm hearing from investors and owners is that their occupancy is down in major metro areas. Their occupancies are down probably 10% from what they were 2 years ago.
Wow.
Uh, yeah, but I can tell you some areas that I haven't seen big impact has been. Are you still? Something happened with my computer, so I think it fell asleep. But some areas where I haven't seen major impact is in certain tertiary and rural markets of the Midwest and the Southeast. For there, in certain areas, they're actually growing. They actually have population growth. They have people that are moving from the West Coast to places like Tennessee, Georgia, Arkansas, Alabama, Wisconsin, Kansas. So some of their rates are actually remaining pretty strong because they do have that movement. It's just movement from people coming from other states to their state. And there's a couple things because of that. Some of it is because the higher prices on the West Coast. Others, it's political, right? There's a lot of people in California that don't like the politics here, so they're moving to places that they think are more business friendly and more conservative. So, yeah.